Hello guys, I hope you're gonna enjoy this video as I'm gonna be showing you the vehicle that I bought. It's a Mercedes ML350. Yeah, I fixed it in 3 working days, but not where I am working, at the shop that the vehicle was being fixed at. So I bought the car stripped as right is. Guys, I don't know what I got myself into. I just bought a Mercedes ML350. As you can see how it is. Now it's almost 3:30 or 4:45. Wednesday. Date is 12th of March. So we're gonna be starting assembly. Yeah. Let me just show you how it ran the bearing. Okay, here's the crank, as there's no sign of damage on it, but the bearings are damaged. Let me just show you the bearings. Bearings are damaged completely. So I've got myself some bearings at Masterpart. It's King's. So yeah, let me just work on it now and see how it goes. And guys, bear in mind, I have never worked on this engine and I did not strip the engine myself. So it's stripped, as you can see. That's the car. Like, if you like, I'm going to be showing you that the bearings are different. The one side has slots on the left hand side and the other ones has slots on the right hand side. So the one on the left hand side is for the cups, and the one for the right hand side slots, it's for the conduit. Right? So guys, here's the difference. See, this one, the slot is on the right hand side, the slot this side is on the left hand side. That's it. So possibility is that contrast has a problem. I'll just take this cap and size it this side. And see if it's going through. but you cannot use a part from another country. I'm just sizing how it's going to be. Okay, it's looking. So, problem could be cut. The problem is the cut. So I'm just trying to pull it out and see what goes on. Stop. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm just going to clean the surface where the bearing fits, because it had some rough things of the bearing, the old bearing. So I'm just using a sandpaper. I know it's not right, but I've got nothing else to do at the moment, so I'm just gonna clean it like this and clean on the conduit as well too. But right guys, okay, I've managed to clean the cap, then put it on. It's on already. I'm just fitting the new bearings as well. Make sure it's oily and clean. Make sure the cutaway or the mark this side faces the cutaway on the conduit too as well. Right? Maybe 27, boy. Huh? 27, only socket engine. Only it's a socket, yeah. What 27 sockets? Let me see what it's turning. Okay, blah. Len ale, mate. Ale. And sorry for the
是遥控制正常。
哦。
完事。
Yabonakala clean. That one side is left now. Listen. Sparing ngay on to one. Nangalay. In minus the side. Assim. Terlihat. Okay guys, now I'm fitting the rear main seat. I've fitted all the bearings and the engine is turning freely or smooth. So I'm just fitting the rear main seat. Then you fit the sump housing or the crankcase. Yeah, then fit the sump. Then tomorrow it will be ready for installation in the vehicle. Right? Yeah. Huh? Right, we're putting the sump now, as you can see. Time, plate, lala. Right? Plate and flat. Okay, made a mistake here. There's a plate that covers the sun. It's not on. Bear in mind that I've never stripped this engine. It's my first time assembling it. Point. Cover that I was talking about. So I need to remove the soot, the oil soot. So I was pulling my last time. Yeah. No, I come this time. Yeah. Right now, guys, we're fitting the sump. Everything is on. Just the sump that's left. So I'll be fitting the sump. Right, here, Benze. There's a first. Guys, now it's 6:30. I've actually finished assembling the engine, the bottom end only. I was changing bearings. So tomorrow morning I'm just gonna fit the flywheel because the guys are closing here now. I wasn't gonna, if I was doing it at my place, I was gonna try and finish it today, like fit the engine on the car. Okay guys, it's another day today. It's the second day. So I'm just fitting the flywheel. Yeah. So at this time we're fitting the flywheel. Then after this we're fitting it on the vehicle. Right. Okay, everything is on now. I just need to take the complete engine and fit it on the car. Right. Right, okay, now we're gonna remove the engine from the engine stand to the engine jack. Right guys, the engine is on. We've mounted the gearbox and the block. So we've mounted the starter too as well. What you're going to be doing next is going to be fitting the engine mounting. Then, yeah, then fit the exhaust. Then after that, it will be the front. Yeah. So it's not an easy job. There's no space, and we're battling to get the bolts, but we still check them with the bolts because the bolts are mixed up and they're short. So yeah, that's fun. The two bolts on the side. which is holding the engine and the gearbox in place. Yeah. Then we'll be fitting this engine mounting, then the aircon compressor, then the alternator. Yeah. Safari. Ha? Lagi video aku. Gawin na? Sikalit. Cut. Sikalit. Right, guys. Okay, I'm just putting the cover for the mounting. Then I'm going to be putting the alternator. Then after that, the aircon compressor goes this side. So we're almost done. Then I'll put the belt. We try to start it without. Okay, but I'll have to put the transmission fluid pipes so I can be able to start the vehicle with no front, right? Right. Okay, guys, I'm just fitting the positive wires. Then alternator is fitted, compressor is fitted. Just need to fit the fan belt. Right. Done. Okay guys, we fitted everything. What short is the exhaust? Now there's no space. I should have fitted it first before fitting the engine, but I didn't know. So I have to remove the cover, the wiper cover, wiper motor. I think I'll have a space to slide it on. Right. Right guys, what a problem. The flex pipe, there's no space. I should have fitted it before I fitted the engine, but then I didn't know. So now it's giving me a hard time to fit it in. But I'm still trying. Yeah, should go on. Right? Right? Right guys? Okay, we've tried our best to fit the flex pipe behind the engine without removing the mountings, but there's no luck. So what we'll do, we'll just remove the mountings and we'll just remove both the mountings so the engine drops in the front, so we'll be able to fit the pipe. Right? But finally, the flex pipe is on. We have to remove the mounting and then pull the engine lever at the front. Then fit it down. I'm just fitting the bolts with the gasket. Yeah, that's it. Huh?
They ain't gonna put this kind.
No, not no.
I left it on the roof because I know it's on the expensive.
Oh, okay. Hey.
funnel. And a funnel.
No, I.
That's for the headlight, I think. Is it?
No.
Fan.
You see, I really took it that time.
Yeah, well, not the crew.
No, I'm gonna connect the oil cool
Yeah, you must. Yeah, you have to
for the
connect that.
gearbox.
Yeah.
Because it will shoot all the way.
Yeah, good. You want a funnel?
Should work.
I want a funnel. That one good. You want one?
Yeah, you can. And you might do it.
Mhm.
And then I have it. Like me. Right guys, moment of truth. Just filling oil, then we'll swing the car and see what it does.
Oh, you got it under control. Right?
Yeah. How many liters this thing takes?
Does it take
8.
7 liters or 8 liters?
8 liters, sure.
Short 8, short 8 liters.
Okay. Right, 4 liters. Full allow 4 liters. 3 liters left. No much.
Mhm.
Oh, okay. And 1. Right. Now I'm just connecting the pipes from the transmission to the oil pull of the transmission. So I'll start it without putting the radiator first and see whether it's starting. Right guys, moment of truth. I filled the oil. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna swing it and see whether she's starting or what. It's been a hectic day. Now it's almost 6 o'clock. Right guys, moment of truth. I'm just gonna swing it and see what it does. Right, she's switching on. I'm just going to swing it and see whether she's starting. The battery is dead.
But yeah, I'll let you know as soon as I leave it. Check out because that other one is loose, yeah?
Which one? Oh yeah, sorry. Okay, the one is loose. Come this side.
Maybe. I don't know, but it's been bought for a while.
The battery.
Otherwise, I get, yeah, but we had it disconnected the whole time. I don't know if you, I've got another battery if you want to boost
Yeah,
it.
yeah, I'll boost it. I'm getting low. Okay. Wait.
If you need to.
Let me try it first.
Okay.
Touching it on, okay? Okay. I think it's the battery, bro. She's dying.
Yeah, since all through this car, so it's been a while. Wanna hook it up?
Yeah. Please. Battery is flat. Battery pause. Try it again. One shot. Better not. Alright guys, it's a new day. I managed to start her yesterday, but she was noisy. What I'll do, I'll just fit the cradle first and put water and let it idle and see how it goes here. But she's starting. Yeah, after long hours of working, I managed to get it started. Free. I have nothing again. Right,
You don't make him watch on TikTok.
sorry?
You don't make him watch on TikTok.
No, it's with certain followers and all that. Yeah. But I just make for fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, guys. Okay. It's a new day. So what shot is just the front, complete front with the cradle and radiator. Yeah, and then try and start it. Alright guys, I'm gonna be starting with assembling the front end, the cradle, radiator, intercooler and headlights, but yeah, I'll just do a short video and then I'll do the fast video. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm trying to start it now. I've got Nathan with me, my old friend. Yes, he's the one who organized the car for me.
4,000 should be 180 there.
Right, Nathan, right.
Oh, fuck.
Right guys, it's starting and it's smooth. As you can see it. What a water leak.
I did a chiropractor with a camp now.
Yeah, this pipe is
Yeah, but get a bad pipe.
I know, you was right.
Come on, blow the fucking gas.
Oh.
Don't worry, man. If you've got a water leak, it'll be fixed.
Just put an egg in turmeric water.
Yeah. You want a boiling?
Boiling.
Yeah.
We fixed it.
Let's throw it in there.
And we'll fix
It'll
it.
come right. Huh? Just put a boiled egg, put a raw egg there. Right
Let's
there.
get this pipe.
Huh? What that 50 by 50? Is it off?
Yeah, by gold dragon.
You tried yet? You took it out.
No, they tried. Then see what it came out. So you must push it in. Even though it was stuck.
Right.
Yeah.
It's like a better sleep on it.
Yeah.
I got to go right and quickly fill it off.
I didn't like it. Nothing will happen.
Hey, you guys did
No, gold dragon. Let me just check it. I relax with them. Fine, huh?
All the lights are off.
Engine light is on. Big one, I started it yesterday without this. Okay. So, hold on. Right, guys. She's starting and she's idling smooth. I just have this problem here, water leak, so I'm just going by Gold Dragon to check this pipe whether they have it. Yeah, and thanks to my bro Mitten here. Mitten, thanks bro.
Shot, no
Yeah.
problem. Anytime for you.
He helped me to get this car, and I won't say the price, but it was cheap. And I didn't even spend much on doing this. I'm here at NPC Parts to get this water pipe that's damaged. They're still trying to get it for me. I'm not sure whether I'll have luck or what. Guys, I'm finally done. It's 6:45, Friday night. I'm done assembling the car. As you can see, everything is on. Let me just go around with it. Can you see? Oh, she's idling. Smooth. Just need to drop the jog stand. And then, yeah.